Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do a love read for you. Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Gemini, before we begin that, let's do a little prayer and take a Ganesha Oracle card and an Angel Blessing card and then get on with your reading. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So that said, let's take a blessing from them as well. Lord Ganesha, what do you have as a blessing or an advice for my Gemini gang out there? Thank you. Okay. And from my angels, blessing or an advice for my Gemini, please. This one and this one. Okay, let's put the rest back, Gemini. And let's see how my angels are going to bless you. So the card I have for you from Lord Ganesha, Gemini, is Splendor. Okay, and wise decisions from my angels. So if you're spending a lot of time, Gemini, clearing out things from around you and making your life more peaceful because it's, you're cleaning out the clutter maybe and making it more beautiful. That's a wise decision. So Lord Ganesha says, yes, surround yourself with splendor, not just of physical things, but also if you have any emotional baggage, any kind of clutter in your around you or in you or in your mind space, in your heart space, clean it all up and make it beautiful because that's what is going to higher your vibration, right? And now it's time to make some wise decisions regarding what you need to clear out and what you need to keep. So it's, so life surrounds you with beauty now. Let's see now why these two cards have come for you, Gemini, and what they want to say to you. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support to the channel. I'm very grateful. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us. We meet here monthly, weekly, weekends. If you enjoy the reading, do join us. Subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards. One is for you, one is for your person. And in the center, I have your mutual energies. So for the duration of this reading, I'll be calling one side person A, one side person B. You decide which side you resonate with the most, and of course this other side is your person, right? Let's begin. Death in reverse for person A and the Ten of Swords. Eight of Pentacles, the Magician, Star in reverse, and the Ace of Swords. Okay, for person B, I have the Two of Swords in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse, Eight of Wands in reverse, upright, Six of Cups upright, Seven of Pentacles upright, and the Seven of Swords. Okay, it seems here to me, Gemini, let's start with the person A's energy. Now, person A has a little bit of fear of change, it seems. Yeah, they want to make a decision regarding something, but I don't think person A has been able to make this decision yet. They've been holding on, trying to, stall time, maybe stall their decision making. They know that they have to release something or somebody from their life, but there's been a bit of delay in their acting out or making a decision, even though they know that desperately they have to, because this is, this has been like a competition maybe, or where somebody felt that they were being betrayed here because there were maybe more than two people in a mix and one person had all the power over the other two. So person A knows that they have to make a decision and this can't go on for very long, even though they are having a tough time trying to make that decision. Right now they feel things have really ended with somebody who they had maybe a lot of love for. and this person was very loving, caring, kind, but right now I think person A feels that they've lost control. There is no balance in this relationship. It seems to have come to a total halt, and now all they have are regrets, and they want to come out of this regretful state with this Queen of Cups, right? This person who's lost control wants to come out of this looking back and being regretful of all these three cups which fell. Like I said, could be a third party situation, right? So, but things haven't really changed, even though this person is aware of why and what is the delay here, right? But now they're realizing because their lack of taking action, things have totally ended and slowed down. I think person A now wants to work on something, on the thing that they had not been working on, right? Maybe, like I said, there were more than two people working on something, or maybe this was a relationship which had more than two people. So now they want to put an end to this, and they want to put some work into maybe person B. Person B is now realizing that they need to put in some actual work, because without that there is no wish fulfillment. And they also know that this Queen of Cups, who maybe they have now realized that they needed to put some work in, has now left, or she's walking away or leaving, or at least one person who was important to them is leaving their life because they did not put any work in. But person A, even though they know that person B is angry and upset and walking away, they don't want this chapter to shut completely. They don't want this, whatever they had with this person, to end, even though they, like I said, know that this person B is angry, upset, is no longer giving them love, no longer working on the relationship, and is walking away because person A was not making a choice or a decision. Now they want to manifest something. What is this that they want to manifest, Spirit? What is it that they want to manifest? Okay, so now they realize that, oh my God, this was my soulmate and I've kind of messed things up with them, right? Now they're holding on to the past. Now they look back at the past and they know that the memories now created with the person who's leaving are not that great. But person A is still wanting to hold on. They're trying to manifest a rebirth. They want something to come back and restart once again with the person who has left now the picture because they were not making a choice of working on the relationship. They're realizing now that with their walking away, things have really slowed down and maybe shut down. But person A is still trying to manifest a restart, re-beginning, because they feel their wishes haven't come true. The star is in reverse for them. They feel none of their wishes came true, and now they're thinking, oh my God, what did I do? You know, I should have put in a little more effort, a little more time to get my Ten of Pentacles, which I probably didn't, and that's the reason this person has walked away, and now they're feeling a loss of their wishes coming true. Star in reverse. Now they're totally clear of their path ahead. Person A is totally clear, and they want to have some, maybe I think, clear-cut communication with person B. Yeah, because person A is now feeling left out in the cold, abandoned, sad. They didn't realize that, losing person B would be such a big deal. They thought, I can just kind of string it along for a little longer, maybe have other people in the mix. But now that person B has walked away from their life, maybe person B has cut them out now, like Lord Ganesha said, clear out the clutter, and bring happiness back. I think person B did that, but person A didn't. They were still playing around, and now they are clear that they should have kind of made some decision then to choose something wisely, wise decision, as my angel said. So yes, now this person is feeling unloved. They're feeling, yes, maybe, I kind of emotionally manipulated person B into staying for as long as they did. I didn't give them anything. I always neglected them. So all this clarity is coming now to person A after person B has kind of left them. Right? So let's see what person B is going through. Person B has the Two of Swords in reverse. So gems, whoever person B is, I think they have made their decision. They are very clear. They are no longer in two minds. Maybe earlier they were waiting for an apology, waiting for a sorry, waiting for somebody to come back and show them love. And they also kind of had a lot of stress about that. They held on as well. They held on for a very long time, not making a decision, waiting, getting stressed out, not sleeping at night, having nightmares. Will person A choose me? Will they not choose me? How long will I have to be out, abandoned till they acknowledge my presence and show me the love that I deserve? But now this card, Gems, is in reverse. Now person B is no longer waiting, no longer upset. They have, I think, made a firm decision. They have made a wise decision for themselves that I'm no longer going to hold on to something which is not going to make me happy. They held on, I think, for a long time for this to happen, just like person B held on. Person A and B were both holding on to something which was not moving. So now person A has realized that, and now they are saying, okay, now that I've made my decision, I'm okay with it. Page of Cups, Spirit. What's this Page of Cups? Yeah, person B is no longer fighting for this connection anymore, Gemini, because they feel that everything that they put into this relationship backfired on them, right? They may have tried to show love, affection, maybe have communication with the person A. They may have tried to tell person A that, hey, I think we're soulmates and we should be together. I have I feel sweetness for you, and whatever. But whatever they said to person A, I think totally backfired on them, because person A didn't make any decision. So what was this conversation, Spirit? 8 of Wands. What was this conversation that person B had? The conversation I think person B had is that, hey, I know that you are doing something underhand. I know you're doing mischievous things behind my back. I don't want to be in a relationship which is going to stress me out all the time, right? I am not here to compete with your so-and-so's, your extras, right? I'm not another extra that you can have in your life. I am showing you my worth. I am the Empress, right? And an Empress doesn't compete for attention. She's not one of the many. So either you see your worth, see my worth, sorry. Either you acknowledge my worth and give me the respect that I command, or it's better that we kind of split ways. 6 of Cups, Spirit. 6 of Cups. Yes, person B, even though they were feeling a lot of attachment to person A, they did feel, yes, this is my soulmate, I bond very well, this is my best friend, I can talk to them about everything, but somehow there was something missing here, Gemini. I don't know whether you were on person B's side or person A's side, but for person B, there was always something, some passion, some truth which was missing, which always felt like things were always stagnant between the two of you. It never really moved and flowed the way it should between two soulmates, right? Things were always stuck between the two of you. And of course, we know why, because person A was not trying to make a decision. And yes, there was maybe a third party situation here. And as I say that, I have a 333 on my clock as well, right? So yes, this could have been a third party situation. So this left, I think, person B feeling a bit confused. Yeah, they are in their confusion, seeing that, maybe person A has so many options and feeling totally betrayed by, we'll put this back, it was sideways, but this person feels totally confused now as to what was this connection. I felt so close to this person, I felt this was my soulmate, but this person has sneaked on me or cheated on me and not given me the truth with the 7 of Swords energy. So this person, I think, has now dropped the ball, and they feel person A has kind of played them, maybe. Yeah, I think person B is now releasing any kind of negativity from their life, whether this was regret over losing person A, whether there was any sadness or feeling betrayed, any negative trait is the devil, Gemini. It's not always like a toxicity and the devil and uh, attachment or addictions. Sometimes it could just be fear and anxiety. It could be feeling sad and regretful all the time, feeling I'm in an unhealthy relationship which is not going anywhere. So I think person A has now picked themselves up. They've realized that they have many other choices maybe they can pursue, and if person B is not going to give them the commitment that they so desire, and if person B is going to keep them juggling forever and ever and ever and never offer them this commitment with the Hierophant card, then it's better that I sneak away and I get out of this relationship, right? So I think person B is on their way out, and person B has also now turned their back on person A because person A was not making any decision on, now they realize that nobody is really fighting for this connection of the Four of Wands. So I think person B has now stopped fighting for it totally. Let's see what's happening in your mutual energy now, Gemini. Stagnancy, Knight of Cups, both are feeling it, King of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. So yes, right now I think both of you are feeling this lack of movement. There's a lot of stagnancy going on. There is a lack of love being shown by both parties, and both feeling the lack of love as well, because person A is now afraid that person B doesn't love them, person B feels person A doesn't love them, and now I think slow and steady as things are stagnating, both are feeling this lack of this beautiful love I think that once was there. Both used to feel that this is going to last for a very long time, but now I think with the stagnancy, both are feeling lost and feeling sad about this lack of love. King of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yes, with the stagnancy, I think both are realizing, both are very restless also, both realizing that why this relationship has broken down or why it's come to a stagnancy is because of the masculine here, I think, who got a bit greedy with this nine of Pentacles, Cups energy, which is, look at this person, he has his arms folded and he feels everything should just come to him with ease. So this person was a bit, didn't really open his arms to love when it was shown. And that's the reason I think the stagnancy has happened, and both are understanding, both are realizing. I think there is still love here though. What's this Queen of Cups, Spirit? The love is there, but I think the feminine energy here is realizing now that all the promises made by this person were probably empty promises, right? And the masculine, I think, feels that if they do want to now work towards this relationship, this feminine, they just reject them. So right now, both are feeling an imbalance of equal give and take. Both are kind of in their zones, feeling the love for each other, but I think person B is stronger and is now pulling back their love and hiding it and no longer showing it the way maybe they did. I think it was always one person showing more and the other person stalling. So as of now, I see both of you in your confused state of mind, Gemini, both not knowing how to have an equal give and take, or maybe there was no equal give and take. So now one or both people, I think, are no longer fighting for this attention, even though there is a lot of love, right? There is a lot of love between the two of you, but because of this confusion. Anything else, Spirit? Right, yeah, this is a time for going within. I think both of you are in your separate corners thinking, trying to shed light to what happened here, what should have been done, what was not done. This was a spiritual lesson maybe. So I think it's time now, Gemini, if you want, or your partner, if you want this relationship to, grow more, like I said in the beginning, it's time to bring some splendor back in your life, and that can only be done by cleaning up your environment inside out. If there is any excess baggage or any clutter in your heart, mind, body, soul, or your surroundings, you don't feel that calmness, that beauty around you, right? So even if it's a matter of third parties or anything, clear everything out, think about what you've done, make some wise decisions, and yes, this could lead to one day to a beautiful relationship, which was already. You both felt it, but I think nobody really took the action when it was required. And that's why person B has now, once the secrets were all revealed to person B, they got a bit upset and angry. They realized that, person A was probably a player. They had more than one person. They were using them just for maybe for passion. And then they went into depression and realized, my God, I've been made a fool of, right? I never really got victory in this situation, and I was just maybe one, and maybe feeling a bit embarrassed as well, because they realized that they were just one of the options, right? Even though they felt that this was a very strong relationship. Now I think person B has now turned their back on the relationship, while person A still has to clear out their clutter, think about what's happened, and then maybe things can move. So that's all I have for you, Gemini. If you need a private reading, you can reach me. But till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.